I swear. Yo, what? What? What?
What the blow? What's wrong with this guy, man?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Look at the little baby. For some reason, this guy's walking right towards me. He's running right towards me. What the fuck? Oh, shit! What the fuck?
Shut up. Shut up. Get off my car. No, get off my car. Get off my car. No, get off my car. Get off my car. Get off my fucking car. The paint's... Bitch.